I'm here in the Rhode Island woods. JP from Project Knife Hand. We're gonna spend a night out on this wintry February day. Unusually warm, it's up 40. It's been frigid for weeks, but it's finally warming up and sort of getting mashed potato-y. But when the wind picks up, it definitely feels like winter. Excited to be out. There's the sun. Actually, it's very nice. My hands aren't cold, and it's lovely. Let that set for a few minutes, and it'll be good to go. Ooh, what a day! Here we go, home for the night. Pretty much done. I got a few more. Waiting for a few more things to freeze up, and then I'll finish. Good enough. Nice little half door here with the 0-degree incubator and the 0-degree burrow inside. I don't need them that cold tonight. It's only going to be in the 20s, but it's my winter setup, so I'm bringing my winter gear. And why not sleep warm, especially with the wind?
And then you have these that latch onto your ridge line.
Oh, all right.
To pull the bug net off of you.
Cool.
There's the sleeve. You can slide the pad in. So you slide your pad in here, and that way it keeps it in place. You can also take the bug net off if you want.
Oh, I like those pockets.
You can access them inside the bug net. Ooh. So you don't have to unzip your bug net.
That is clever.
Yeah. It's a Ettenwolf pump. They sent this to me. It's pretty cool. It doubles as a lantern and
oh, cool.
All that good stuff. They sent me a few of them.
Oh. $35 and dropping. Wow, this guy is...
Yeah, it's going to take a while, but it's okay.
The fire do its magic. JP poo-pooed my mountain house, and I'm sure if any of his viewers make their way over here, they'll be equally offended, but you know what? I'm a simple man with simple pleasures, and I'm just hoping this beef stroganoff does the trick today. Meanwhile, this guy's got pemmican. Look at this.
Well, this isn't my pemmican. These are dried turkey strips that I made.
Wow.
I brought these in addition to the pemmican.
Jeez.
Yeah, it's cost effective, honestly.
It doesn't have to be good. It just has to be hot. It's a big one.
Yeah, well, you know, the Vikings got away with it, right?
Watch your pot.
Yeah.
Rocky Road chocolate pudding. Look at that.
Oh,
unbelievable.
Rocky Road, huh?
Rocky Road. Just add 1 cup of cold water. That we can do. Rocky Road chocolate eruption. Stir thoroughly and completely. So they really want you to get into the crevices. Get in there. Fire! Look at that fire! Look at it. Look at the fire. It's really going. Oh, Oh shit, look at that. That's right, you know what time it is. Alright, mashed potato ground is long gone. Everything is hardened up quite a bit. It's slick in spots. Could eat some spikes. Barky ground's good though. Here comes the sun, doodle doodle. This canister stove is getting pushed to the limits here with the 22-degree temps. Not sure how much more I'm gonna get at it. Luckily I brought the alcohol stove. Alright, there we go. The alcohol stove is gonna finish the job and heat this water up for me. And I'm gonna have coffee and oatmeal. Oh, yeah. Be a little soupy, but that's all right. The thing about these alcohol stoves is that there's no off button. They can either put the cap on it to try to put it out or just let it burn out. But I'll just let it do its thing and finish burning. Nothing else. It's a little more heat right here. Oh yeah, that sun's gonna warm us up real quick. Yeah, these steaks are in there pretty good now. I'm not sure how easy they're gonna be to come out. Oh man, yeah. Any worries about them coming out dissipated very quickly. They are frozen solid. What's wrong? They pop right out. Get them. Whew. There you go. Those things are dug in like a tick.
Yeah. Well, what I do is I toggle through the hole with a titanium stake, so there's absolutely no way that they're coming out of there.
Locked in place, but you got it out, and that's the important thing. Well, another great overnight with good company and a warm fire. This is a lot of fun. Thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed it. I've gotten quite a few overnight trips this winter, and we're not even done yet. Stay tuned for some more adventures soon. Thanks for coming along.